So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix a slow internet connection in Windows 11. First of all, you have to go to your start menu and then click on settings. If you're not seeing the settings here, you can search for it. And then from settings, click on network and internet. And then click on Wi-Fi. And then from Wi-Fi, you're gonna click on manage known networks. And then you're gonna select your network. After that, you're gonna make sure that metered connection is turned off. After you do that, you're gonna go back to your start menu and search for data usage, and you're gonna click on data usage overview and then click on data usage, and then from here you're gonna scroll down to see and then delete any applications that are taking too much internet connection. Now one more thing you can do is go back to your start menu and then search for control panel, and then from here set it to large icons and then click on network and sharing center. After that, click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection and then click on properties, and then from properties select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click properties. After that, click on use the following DNS server address and then type 8888 and then 8844 and then click OK and then close. Then what you have to do is go back to your start menu, search for CMD and then right click on it, run as administrator. And then here you should type ipconfig, then space/ and then flush DNS and then click enter. And then just like this, your issue should be solved.